Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to show you an update on my palm trees, which are very beautiful and did grow from seed in 2017. Since then they did grow so beautiful and deserve video special. I did made videos in the past, but have to make another special video about these palm trees. After reporting, they did grow even more. I'm so happy to see they are looking awesome and very ornamental. And I will show you close up. They grow from seeds from this species of palm trees are date palm tree, and the name I will write in the video scientific name. And this house such amazing did grow these leaves, and every gardener loving to grow palm trees at home, it's just looking so inspiring and ornamental, very decorative. And here this leaf started to grow, just amazing and so strong. And here too, just amazing palm trees. These have around 70 centimeters from there, and these have 50. As you can see, beautiful too. Leaves are more together, more bush and stuff like that. Not very big leaves, but we will see how it will grow in the future. So they're looking so beautiful together. And the number 3, this is palm tree number 3, is date palm 2, and it grew 2 years ago from seed to from a supermarket fruits you can find, and you can eat that fruits, then sow seeds and they will germinate and will grow in such way when they are young. And that's it, so beautiful looking, but needs a pot, more large pot already. They so looking here, amazing. And there was some leaves that were dry, and I did good. Now they looking more beautiful, and now it's in late winter, and how will you take care? Well, they growing here in winter time, and they have no such many light, but you know, in summertime they will have sunny, because I move my palm trees outside in full sun, and they will grow much more, I think. And I will add some new potting soil, a layer of potting soil here, and that's it. Or maybe repotting them in a little bit more big pots, but I will see. But anyway, I have to add some layer of potting soil up here, and will benefit of some nutrients and will grow nice. So hope you enjoyed my palm trees, they are looking beautiful. And update on another plant, what I have here is Opuntia cactus here, and started to grow new leaves, as you can see here. As well, inside is in winter time, and looking forward to the spring and move the plants outside. And one hibiscus I have there, it's not looking very beautiful, or have not so many light here. And one bilbeja have there, and a palm tree apartment variety one apartment, and looking beautiful too, but have to take care more. And this Schefflera plant just looking great, have to water all the time. And here I have passion fruit growing nice. You know how to water, the soil is dry, and have to dig a little bit, and that's it. I will show you special update on all my owl plants. I will see when in March. This is my pineapple, looking beautiful too. And hope you enjoyed my update on my palm trees. They're just looking great. And thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. If you want, can activate that bell to get notification when I posting new videos, and subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. See you next time. Bye bye.